Good morning, students. Welcome to Diamond Group of Institutions KSET online classes. Today we discuss the chapter differential equations. So first, what is order? What is degree? Order. How to find out order? The highest derivative term present in the differential equation is called order. Its power is called, highest derivative term power is called degree. So see the problems. First problem, the order of the dE, d square y by dx square whole cube equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 is option A 6, option B 3, option C 1 by 2, option D 2. So in the given differential equation, if you observe, here highest derivative term is d square y by dx square is the highest derivative term. So this is the second derivative term. That's why order is 2. So option D. Next, the degree of the differential equation, d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx whole square equal to x square into log of d square y by dx square is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D none of these. To find the degree of the differential equation, compulsory the given differential equation represented as a polynomial. Otherwise, degree is not defined. Okay na? So, in the given differential equation is not represented in a polynomial because of here log of d square y by dx square is given. Log of derivative terms, sine of derivative terms, cos of derivative terms. In this case, this is not represented as a polynomial. In this case, degree is not defined. That's why answer is none of these. Next, the degree of the differential equation of which y square equal to 4a into x plus a is a solution is. So here solution is given. So by using solution you find out first dA. After that finding the degree of the dA. So options given A1, B2, C3, D4. So first, what is the given solution? General solution is y square equal to 4a into x plus a. So here how many constants given? If how many constants given, that times only you can derivative and eliminate the constant from the general solution. So here only one constant only given, a is the only one constant. That's why you can derivative only one time and eliminate that constant to form the differential equation. So differentiate with respect to x. Y square derivative is 2y into dy by dx equal to 4a into x derivative is 1, a derivative is 0. That's why 4a value is 2y into dy by dx. From this you can write the a value. A value is what? 4 divided here. You get 1 by 2 into y into dy by dx equal to a. These values substitute in equation number 1. So what you get? Y square equal to 2y into dy by dx into x plus 1 by 2 into y into dy by dx. So therefore y square equal to 2y into dy by dx into x is 2x by dy by dx plus this multiply inside what you get? Y square into dy by dx whole square. Here what is the highest derivative term? Dy by dx only. So dy by dx only. So its power is 2. So that's why degree is 2. So option B. Next problem. Family of y equal to ax plus a cube of curves will correspond to a differential equation of order is option A 3, option B 2, option C 1, option D not defined. So the order of the differential equation is equal to number of parameters, number of constants present in the given general solution. Order of the differential equation is equal to number of parameters, number of constants present in the given general solution. So here general solution is y equal to ax plus a cube. Here only one constant a, a repeated 2 times, but consider as only one constant. So here in the general solution constant is 1. That's why order is 1 only. Okay na? So option is C. So next question. The order and degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square whole square plus dy by dx whole square equal to x into sine of dy by dx is option A 2, 2, option B 2, not defined, option C 2, 1, option D 1, 2. Here in the differential equation, the highest derivative term is d square y by dx square. So this is the second derivative term. So order is 2. Next, degree. So for this differential equation, degree is not defined because of it is not represented as a polynomial. In the given equation given sine of dy by dx. Sine internal function is dy by dx. That's why degree is not defined. So option is B. Next problem. The order and degree of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx power 5 whole power 1 by 3 equal to d square y by dx square are respectively option A 2 comma 1, option B 1 comma 5, option C 2 comma 3, option D 2 comma 5. So first to take the given dE. So differential equation derivative term power radicals, if the radicals is given you can remove. So here power 1 by 3 is given. So how to remove this one? Cubic on both sides. Cubic on both sides. At that time you can change it to 1 plus dy by dx whole power 5 equal to d square y by dx square whole cube. Here what is the highest derivative term? Highest derivative term is d square y by dx square. So this is the second derivative term. So order is 2. So its power is 3. So highest derivative power is 3. So this is written as degree. So degree equal to 3. So option C. Next problem. The order of the differential equation of the family of all concentric circles center at h comma k. Circle center at h comma k. A1, B2, C3, D4. So the equation of the circle with center at h comma k is what? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the center of the circle. Center is given h comma k. Here h comma k are the fixed constants. Only r is the parameter. So here only one constant. That's why order equal to what? Number of parameters present in the general solution. So that's why order is 1. So option is A. Next problem. The differential equation of the family of straight lines whose slope is equal to y-intercept. Option A x plus 1 into dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Option B x plus 1 into dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Option C dy by dx equal to x minus 1 by y plus 1. Option D dy by dx equal to x minus 1 by y minus 1. So first what is the equation of the straight line if slope m y-intercept is c? Slope m y-intercept is c. Then equation of the straight line is y equal to mx plus c. Here given condition slope equal to y-intercept. So m equal to c. So that's why this equation changes to y equal to mx plus m. Equation number 1. So if you derivative this one time and eliminate the constant m, you get the differential equation. So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx equal to m into x derivative is 1. So m only. This is a constant 0 derivative. So therefore m equal to dy by dx, substitute here. What you get? Y equal to x into dy by dx plus dy by dx. Here dy by dx common. So y equal to x plus 1 into dy by dx. So final option B. Next problem. The solution of the dE dy by dx plus 2xy by 1 plus x square equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square is option A y into 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x plus c. Option B y by 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x plus c. Option C y into log of 1 plus x square equal to c plus tan inverse x. Option D y into 1 plus x square equal to c plus tan inverse x. So first the given dE, observe the given dE. So dy by dx plus 2xy by 1 plus x square equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square, which is a linear differential equation. So this linear differential equation compare with dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p comma q are functions in x variable, otherwise constants only. So if you compare this, what you get? P equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, q equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. First to find out integrating factor. What is integrating factor? IF equal to e power integration p dx. So equal to e power integration p value 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Observe clearly, one derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x, which in the form of f dash of x by f of x, integration f dash of x by f of x, that is nothing but log mod f of x. So, e power log mod 1 plus x square, e log cancel, what is the remaining is 1 plus x square is the integrating factor. Next, what is the general solution? General solution, y into e power integration p dx equal to integration q into e power integration p dx dx plus c. This is the general solution of the linear differential equation. So, gives y into integrating factor is 1 plus x square, y into 1 plus x square equal to integration q value 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into e power integration p dx value 1 plus x square dx plus c. So, here 1 plus x square whole square cancel. So, what is the remaining here? Integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx is nothing but tan inverse x. So, final answer is y into 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x plus c. So, option is A. Next problem. The solution of dy by dx equal to 2 power y minus x is option A 2 power y plus 2 power x equal to k. Option B 2 power x minus 2 into 2 power y equal to k. Option C 1 by 2 power x minus 1 by 2 power y equal to k. Option D 1 by 2 power x plus 1 by 2 power y equal to k. So, what is the given solution differential equation dy by dx? The given d is dy by dx equal to 2 power y minus x. 2 power y minus x can be written as 2 power y by 2 power x. Now, do variable separable. Dy is here, y term being this side, so dy by 2 power y equal to dx by 2 power x. So, this can now apply integration on both sides. Integration 2 power minus y dy equal to integration 2 power minus x dx plus c. Already we know the formula. Integration a power x dx is nothing but a power x by log a power x by log a. Apply this one, what you get? 2 power minus y integration is 2 power minus y by log 2. Internal function is minus y, again derivative is minus. So, this equal to integration 2 power minus x is nothing but 2 power minus x by log 2 into minus will come. Internal function minus x derivative is minus 1 plus c. So, this function bring this side, what you get? 2 power minus x by log 2 minus 2 power minus y by log 2 equal to c. Here log 2 is the LCM, bring this side c into log 2. So, final answer 2 power minus x can be written as 1 by 2 power x minus 2 power minus y can be written as 1 by 2 power y equal to c into log 2. C into any constant is constant only, that is why I can written as c. So, option is C. Here C, otherwise write K, no problem. Next problem, the differential equation for which sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to c is a solution is given by option A root over 1 minus x square into dy plus root over 1 minus y square into dx equal to 0. Option B root over 1 minus x square into dx plus root over 1 minus y square into dy equal to 0. Option C root over 1 minus x square into dx minus root over 1 minus y square into dy equal to 0. Option D none. So, see here. So, here general solution is given, you have to find out differential equation. So, what is the general solution? Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to c. Differentiate with respect to x, you get the dA. So, sin inverse x derivative is 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus sin inverse y derivative is 1 by root over 1 minus y square into internal function is y here, y eigen derivative is dy by dx equal to c derivative is 0. So, next 1 by root over 1 minus y square into dy by dx equal to this function being this side, you get minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So, cross multiplication do, you get root 1 minus x square into dy equal to minus root 1 minus y square into dx. So, final answer minus term being this side, root over 1 minus x square into dy plus root over 1 minus y square into dx equal to 0. So, option is A. Next problem. Solution of the differential equation x into dy minus y into dx equal to 0 represents option A rectangular hyperbola, option B line passing through origin, option C parabola whose vertex is at origin, option D circle whose center at origin. First take the solution of the d, x into dy minus y dx equal to 0. So that means x into dy equal to y dx. variable separables into. So dy by y equal to dx by x. Apply integration on both sides. So integration 1 by y dy equal to integration 1 by x dx plus c. You know the formula, integration 1 by x dx equal to log x. So that's why integration 1 by y dy is log y equal to integration 1 by x dx is log x. Both terms in log. So that's why c also written in log. So log c. So which is the form of log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is nothing but log a into b. So log cx. So log y equal to log cx. If you remove the log, you get y equal to cx. Y equal to cx, which is the form of y equal to mx. So this represents a line passing through the origin. So option B. Next column. The solution of dy by dx equal to ax plus h by by plus k. Represent a parabola when option A equal to 0, b equal to 0. Option B, a equal to 1, b equal to 2. Option C, a equal to 0, b not equal to 0. Option D, a equal to 2, b equal to 1. So first take the given solution. dy by dx equal to ax plus h by by plus k. So this is a given differential equation. So variables separables. So by plus k into dy equal to ax plus h into dx. So first apply integration on both sides. Variable separable is over. So apply integration on both sides. So integration by plus k into dy equal to integration ax plus h into dx plus c. So here b is the constant, b into y integration is y square by 2 plus k outside constant integration dy is y equal to a into x integration is x square by 2 plus h into integration dx is x plus c. Here LCM is 2. LCM is 2. So by square plus 2ky equal to ax square plus 2hx plus 2c. Both sides denominator is cancelled. So observe clearly. So here by square, here ax square. What are the parabola forms? Parabola is in the form of y square equal to 4ax. Y square are x power 1 only. Otherwise x square equal to 4ay. Otherwise like this. Y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h form. Otherwise x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. So in the 4 forms, like this form, total 8 forms plus or minus 6. So here if any one is 0, either a is 0, otherwise b is 0. Any one is 0, in that cases that equation, the second degree equation represent a parabola. That's why you take the condition a equal to 0, b not equal to 0. One condition. Another condition is if you take a is not equal to 0, at that time you can take b equal to 0. In the two cases only, the second degree equation represent a parabola. That's why what is option? A equal to 0, b is not equal to 0. So option C is the correct option. A curve passes through the point 5, 3 and at any point x, y and the product of its slope and the ordinate is equal to its abscissa stop. The curve is A. Option A parabola, option B ellipse, option C hyperbola, option D circle. So here what is the given condition? Locus point is x, y. X, y is the locus point. So here x coordinate is abscissa, y coordinate is ordinate. So what is the slope? Generally slope denoted by m equal to dy by dx. Here condition is the product of the slope into ordinate. Slope into ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. So dy by dx into y equal to x coordinate. Here this is the given condition. This one is converted to variable separable. So y into dy equal to x into dx. Now apply integration. Integration y dy equal to integration x dx plus c. So integration y is y square by 2 equal to integration x is x square by 2 plus c. So y square by 2 bring this x, you bring that side. Minus c is nothing but plus c only. So x square by 2 minus y square by 2 equal to c. X square minus y square equal to 2c. How to calculate c value? Here given passing point is given 5, 3. So this equation passing through the point 5 comma 3. In the place of x substitute 5, in the place of x substitute 3. So what you get here? 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. 25 minus 9 equal to 2c. 2c equal to 16. So in the place of 2c substitute 16. You get x square minus y square equal to 16. Which represent a rectangular hyperbola. So which represent a rectangular hyperbola. That's why option is C. Next problem. If 2 into f of x equal to f dash of x and f of 0 equal to 3, then f of 2 equal to option A 4e cube, option B 3 into e power 4, option C 2 into e cube, option D 3 into e square. So what is the given condition? 2 into f of x equal to f dash of x. So how to write this one? 2 equal to, this can be written as 2 equal to f dash of x by f of x. Now apply integration. What you get? Integration 2 into dx equal to integration f dash of x by f of x dx plus c. So integration 2 into dx is nothing but 2x equal to, which is the form of integration f dash of x by f of x. That is formula log mod f of x plus c. So here what is the given condition? How to calculate c? So f of 0 equal to 3. F of 0 equal to 3 means x value is 0, y value is 3. Substitute here, what you get? 0 equal to 2 into 0 is 0. 0 equal to log f of 0 is 3. So log 3 plus 3. So c equal to minus log 3. Substitute here, what you get? 2x equal to log mod f of x minus log 3. Which is the form of log a minus log b. So can be written as log a by b. So log f of x by 3. So how to remove the log? To find out the f of x. So to remove the log, so exponential apply on both sides. What you get? E power 2x equal to f of x by 3. So how to write f of x? 3 multiply here. So f of x equal to 3 into e power 2x. If this is the f of x function. Now calculating what? F of 2 value. So that's why x value 2 substitute. So f of 2 equal to 3 into e power 4. So option is B. Next problem. The integrating factor of the differential equation x into dy by dx minus y equal to 2x square is option A e power minus x, option B e power minus y, option C 1 by x, option D x. What is the given differential equation? X into dy by dx minus y equal to 2x square. Here dy by dx has a multiple x. So now equation divided by x. What you get? Dy by dx minus y by x equal to 2x, which is a linear differential equation of first type. So compare with dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here compulsory p comma q are in functions in x, otherwise constants only. So here p equal to minus 1 by x, q equal to 2x. Here asking to find out only integrating factor. So integrating factor equal to e power integration p dx equal to e power integration p is nothing but minus 1 by x. Minus outside 1 by x integration dx. Integration 1 by x is log x. Minus taking to power. What you get? E power log x power minus 1. E log cancel. What is the remaining? X power minus 1. X power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by x. So option is C. Next problem. Solution of dy by dx equal to y by x plus y is option A y equal to k into e power y by x, option B y equal to k into e power x by y, option C x equal to k into e power y by x, option D x equal to k into e power x by y. So what is the given differential equation? Dy by dx equal to y by x plus y. So which is a homogeneous equation? Homogeneous differential equation, because of numerator power is 1, denominator power is also 1. So both numerator and denominator having same degree. So which is a homogeneous differential equation. That's why in the place of y substitute vx. So its derivative is dy by dx equal to v plus x into dy by dx. This value substitute here, what you get? V plus x into dy by dx equal to vx by x plus vx. From the numerator and denominator x common, cancel. What is the remaining? V by 1 plus v. In the next step, we bring this side. V by 1 plus v minus v equal to what? V minus v square by 1 plus v. So now variable separable. Here what is the remaining here? Minus v square by 1 plus v. Variable separable. So 1 plus v by minus v square dv equal to dx by x. So dv side v terms, dx side x terms. Now apply integration. So here what is the first function? Minus 1 by v square. Minus integration 1 by v square dt. Here what is the second function? V by minus v square. So minus integration v by v square dt equal to integration 1 by x dx plus c. So which is the form of integration 1 by x square? Integration 1 by x square is nothing but minus 1 by x. So minus or minus plus. That's why we are getting 1 by v. Minus. Here v cancel. So what is the remaining? Integration 1 by v dt is nothing but log v equal to integration 1 by x is log x plus c. So c bring this side, log v bring that side. So 1 by v minus c equal to log v plus log x. Which is the form of log a plus log b? Log a plus log b is nothing but log ab. So log vx. So this side v is nothing but y by x. So 1 by y by x minus c equal to log vx. So this can be written as x by y minus c equal to log y. How to remove this log? So to remove the log, exponential apply on both sides. You get e power x by y minus c equal to y only. So y equal to e power x by y into e power minus c. E power minus c can be treated as constant k. So final answer, y equal to k into e power x by y. Y equal to k into e power x by y. Option B is the right option. Next problem. The general solution of the differential equation e power x into dy plus y into e power x plus 2x into dx equal to 0 is. Option A, x into e power y plus x square equal to c. Option B, x into e power y plus y square equal to c. Option C, y into e power x plus x square equal to c. Option D, y into e power y plus x square equal to c. So take the given equation e power x dy plus y into e power x plus 2x into dx equal to 0. So next here dy quotient is e power x. So first equation divided by e power x. What you get here? Dy plus y plus 2x into e power minus x into dx equal to 0. Here dy only given, so that's why divided with dx. So what you get? Dy by dx plus y plus 2x into e power minus x equal to 0. So this is possible to convert it to linear differential equation. Dy by dx plus dy equal to 0, where p, q are functions in x, otherwise constants. So 2x into e power minus x bring this side. So dy by dx plus y equal to minus 2 into x into e power minus x. Compare with this form, p equal to 1, q equal to minus 2x into e power minus x. First write integrating factor e power integration p dx equal to e power integration 1 dx equal to e power x. What is the general solution? Y into e power integration p dx equal to integration q into e power integration p dx plus c. So substitute values y into e power x equal to integration. What is the q value? Minus 2x into e power minus x. Integrating factor equal. So here e power x to e power minus x cancel. So what is the remaining? Minus 2 right outside, integration x to dx plus c. Integration x is x square by 2. Here 2 being cancelled. So answer y into e power x equal to minus x square plus c. This can be written as y into e power x plus x square equal to c. So option is c. So next problem. The solution of the dE 2x into dy by dx minus y equal to 3. Repellent is a family of option A straight lines, option B circles, option C parabola, option D ellipse. Is repeated in case 2010. So take the given dE 2x into dy by dx minus y equal to 3. Y bring that side. What you get? 2x into dy by dx equal to y plus 3. Variable separable is possible here. So 2 into dy by y plus 3 equal to dx by x. So variable separable is over dy side y terms, dx side x terms. Now apply integration on both sides. You get 2 into integration 1 by y plus 3 dy equal to integration 1 by x dx plus c. So here clearly y plus 3 derivative is 1. So that's why which is the form of integration f dash of x by f of x equal to log mod f of x. So this can be written as 2 into log mod y plus 3 equal to integration 1 by x, already you know formula. Integration 1 by x is log x. So log x plus both terms in log. That's why c also written in terms of log c. C can be written as log c. So to take it to power, what you get? Log of y plus 3 whole square. Which is the form of log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is nothing but log ab. So log c into x. both sides log removed, what you get? Y plus 3 whole square equal to 3x. So which is the form of y plus k whole square equal to 4a into x plus x minus h. So this represents a family of parabola. Y square equal to 4ax, otherwise y square equal to 4ax form. So which represents a family of parabola. So